Do you know the difference between greenfield project and brownfield project? Let's understand. At first, let's understand what is greenfield project. These are all the projects which are built from the ground on the undeveloped or unused land. So here the design and building, everything is right from scratch. You may find that in factories, housing complexes, industrial parks. That's about greenfield project. Then what is brownfield project? These are all the projects which are a result of redevelopment or refurbishment of an existing facility or site. Here they will take the projects which were previously developed but now they are underutilized, outdated or no longer in operation. Here developers will take an existing structure and will modernize it or reuse the land and infrastructure for a different purpose. Now let us tabulate the difference between greenfield and brownfield project. Greenfield project is completely new. There are no existing structures. Whereas brownfield project is a project taken up on the existing site or facility. There will be some structures in place. Greenfield project is absolutely a new construction, new design, infrastructure. Whereas brownfield can be a renovation or upgradation of existing facilities and systems. Greenfield projects will have more flexibility in design and execution because everything is right from scratch. But brownfield project, they'll have limited flexibility only because already there is an existing structure. Greenfield projects will generally have higher initial cost because they have construction costs, they have to take permits like that. For brownfield, the initial cost will be lower, but their renovation cost will be high. In terms of timeline, greenfield project will have longer timeline because they have to start from scratch, but brownfield project, they'll have shorter timeline because infrastructure is already there. In terms of risk, greenfield project have high risk because construction is unforeseen and there can be regulatory issues, but brownfield, it will have lower risk because site is already operational. In terms of regulatory approvals, there may be extensive approvals. They have to get it for land use, construction and all. Whereas for brownfield, it will be fewer approvals because site is already developed. And here we go. Credit and Financial Analysis Mastery course. It's a comprehensive pre-recorded online course that comes with 15 modules of video lectures, basically 70 plus hours of video contents, multiple ebooks and reading materials related to credit and financial analysis that will make up another 30 plus hours of content. So totally it is 100 plus hours of learning resources. Then you will also get access to a private community in Telegram for clarifying your doubts in credit and financial domain. Then you also have the flexibility to choose 1-year subscription or lifetime subscription depending upon your learning goals. So by joining this course, you will learn basics of credit analysis, how to read balance sheet, financial ratio analysis, cash flow, fund flow analysis, how to arrive at credit risk rating, how to prepare CMA report, cash budget, how to assess credit facilities like CC, OD, LC, BG, term loan, how to write bank loan proposal, and you will also have access to case studies related to credit analysis. So to join this course, to know more about the course, comment CFA, and I'll share the details with you.